how to activate Meta AI on WhatsApp. The very first thing you want to make sure that your application WhatsApp is up to date. If not, you can head over to your App Store and then update your app. Once you have the latest version, open the app. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in the home page of WhatsApp, the next thing you want to do is head over to the inbox of the group that you want to activate the Meta AI. Once you are in the inbox, here what you want to do is you have to type in @Meta AI and then send it. Once you have sent the text, the Meta AI will be activated successfully. Well, the Meta AI enhances WhatsApp by integrating advanced artificial intelligence technologies to improve your experience and platform security. It enables smart replies, offering quick response suggestions to streamline conversations. Not only that, it also detects and filters out spam, abusive content, ensuring a safer message environment. So activating Meta AI in WhatsApp will definitely be beneficial to you. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can activate Meta AI on WhatsApp. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.